Welcome to Dream Wonderland Kids.
Hello, kids. Let's learn our ABCs together. O, D is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hat. Hat. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. And M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. The van. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Boy, I is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Great job, kids! Now you know your ABC. Let's sing again.